कांग्रेस ने पीवी नरसिम्हा राव को नजरअंदाज कर दिया। केटीआर का बड़ा बयान। बीआरएस के कारगुजार सदर केटीआर ने कहा है कि ये अफसोस की बात है कि प्रियंका गांधी साबिक वजीर आजम पीवी नरसिम्हा से की गई शदीद नाइंसाफी की तारीख से वाकिफ नहीं हैं। उन्होंने कौमी एजेंसी को दिए गए इंटरव्यू में कहा कि पीवीआर इस सरजमीन के सुपुर्द है, काबिल एहतराम शख्सियत और दानिश्वर है और ऐसे आजिजाना मिजाज रखने वाली शख्सियत जिन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी भर कांग्रेस की खिदमत की, उन्हें पार्टी ने नजरअंदाज कर दिया है। केटीआर ने कहा कि कांग्रेस ने नरसिम्हा राव को तौहीन की है। 1996 में वजीर आजम के ओहदे पर रहने के बावजूद उन्हें पार्टी ने टिकट नहीं दिया। प्रियंका गांधी को मालूम होना चाहिए कि पीवीआर की मौत के बाद उनके नाश को दिल्ली में वाक़ कांग्रेस के दफ्तर में रखने की इजाजत नहीं दी गई। ये आलमिया है कि प्रियंका गांधी को यह नहीं मालूम कि केटीआर ने मजीद कहा कि दिल्ली में तमाम अनजहानी वज़राए आजम की यादगारें हैं, लेकिन पीवी नरसिम्हा राव की यादगार नहीं है। उन्होंने कहा कि नरसिम्हा राव को बाद अज़ाम मुर्ग भारत रत्न दिया जाए और कांग्रेस नरसिम्हा राव के खानदान से मुआफी मांगे।
It's truly unfortunate that Srimati Priyanka Gandhi does not seem to have an iota of information on the history of injustice that has been meted out to late Prime Minister Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu. P.V. Narasimha Rao, is somebody who we all look up to. He's a son of the soil. He's much respected. He's a polyglot, as we all know, and an intellectual par excellence. Such a humble human being who served Congress Party all his life had been insulted, in such a humiliating fashion by Congress Party that as a sitting Prime Minister, as an incumbent Prime Minister, he was rejected from getting a party ticket to become a Member of Parliament in '96. And secondly, let me also remind Srimati Priyanka Gandhi ji that after PVG passed away, his body was not even allowed, his mortal remains were not even allowed to be brought to 24 Akbar Road in AICC head office. It's truly tragic that, Srimati Priyanka Gandhi doesn't seem to have any information on this. And what is even more humiliating was that every former Prime Minister of India, including Indira Gandhi ji, Nehru ji, Rajiv ji, and everybody else, has a memorial in Delhi. But P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu was not given even that honor. Neither was his body allowed to be brought to the AICC head office, nor was he given a memorial, and nor was the Congress government in Hyderabad instructed to take care of even the funeral rites properly. Everybody has seen, every Telugu person, had seen the kind of humiliation that was dealt with the PV family. So I would demand that the Congress party, Priyanka Gandhi ji, Rahul Gandhi ji, apologize to PV family and demand Bharat Ratna, which we've been demanding during the centenary celebrations of Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao ji. And I hope at least the Congress party, by way of this, will be able to repent, apologize, and come forward and seek the blessings of PV's family here.